Before you begin, remove the access panel, fan duct, and front bezel. Removal. Grasp the drive cage and rotate it up 90 degrees. Disconnect the power and SATA cables from the connectors on the 2.5-inch storage drive. Pull the release tab to disengage it from the storage drive. Grasp the storage drive and slide it up to remove it from the drive cage. Replacement. Align the guide pins on the 2.5-inch storage drive with the slots in the drive cage. Slide the storage drive down into the drive cage and press firmly until it snaps into place. Reconnect the power and SATA cables to the connectors on the storage drive. Note: ensure that the cables are clear and in a safe position. It is possible for them to be damaged if the drive cage closes on them. Rotate the drive cage down 90 degrees.